let's begin our today's EVS 1 period with a very wonderful thought. Let's see what is it. If you focus on results, you will never change. But if you focus on change, you will definitely get good results, isn't it? So if you will always focus on the results, but if you will never try, then change will not be brought about. But if you will focus on the change, you can always have the good results. Let's start our today's lesson number 13, methods of preserving food. Very easy lesson and a very small lesson. The meaning of preserving. Let's first understand the meaning of preserving. Preserving means what, children? Storing the food. To store the food for longer period of time, there are various methods which we need to follow. So basically preserving is what? Storing. आपलं अन्न जास्त दिवस टिकवून ठेवणे, जास्त दिवस चांगलं ठेवणे, that is the preserving. Now, you know very well that different fruits and vegetables are produced in abundance at one particular season. Abundance in large numbers, isn't it? Like we say, winter season is best for all fruits and vegetables. So they are produced in abundance, large amount, large quantity in that particular season. They are preserved by different methods so that they can be used throughout the year. But we want them to have for the whole year, isn't it? So that's why we need to preserve them. We need to store them. We should avoid the spoiling of food. Fungus is one of the microorganisms. It is spores of fungus are present in the air, and when they get favorable place for the growth like water, food and warmth, they grow rapidly. So the foodstuffs can be spoiled by fungus. Basically, what is the meaning of fungus in Marathi? We say burshi yene. You see blackish fiber like substance. If you keep open the food, especially in the summer season, the food gets spoiled very easily. Basically, what are the requirements for this fungus growth? If water is there, warmth म्हणजे ज्याला गरमी आपण असं म्हणतो, उष्णता. So if water and warmth and air is there, then this fungus growth is it has to be there on the food, isn't it? So if you see such blackish fungus growth on the food item, isn't it? So which are the favorable conditions? Which are the best possible conditions for the growth of fungus? It is warmth, water and air, of course. Okay, so you see those pores, छोटे छोटे कण, particles. Pores is what, children? छोटे छोटे कण ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, spores you will see on the food. That is called fungus growth. Now, what are the methods to avoid all these things? What are the methods of preserving food? Which are the various methods of storing the food for longer period of time? आपलं अन्न जास्त दिवस टिकायला हवं. So which are the methods for that? First best method is the drying in the heat of sun. वाळवणे, उन्हात वाळवणे. When we dry foodstuffs, their water content is lost. This method is used to preserve foodstuffs like papads, then kurdai and wheat and dals. Drying, basically because of drying, what happens, children? The water which is there in the food, it gets removed, it gets washed away in the air. So which are the examples of foodstuffs? Which are the food items which we can store by this method? It is papad. You know very well in the summer season, various different types of papads are made. So first thing which we have to do is we have to dry them in the strong heat of the sun, isn't it? Kurdai, we eat kurdai, kind of a papad. And then wheat and dals, wheat, gahu, dals, डाळी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या, isn't it? So that is the thing. Drying, वाळवणे, उन्हात वाळवणे. Cooling, next method is the cooling. If you keep the food inside the refrigerator, you can store it for longer period of time, isn't it? So microorganisms will not get the warmth they need for the growth. So basically inside the fridge, they germs, microorganisms are what? Germs. They won't get the warmth. त्यांना ते उष्णता मिळणार नाही, गरम मिळणार नाही, so that the food can be preserved for a longer period of time. Then boiling. Boiling is the best method because it directly kills the germs. So when foodstuffs are boiled, the microorganisms in it are destroyed completely. Destroyed, they get killed completely if we boil something. Especially in the rainy season, your mother boils the water before putting it inside the water bottle, because boiling of the water directly kills the germs, isn't it? So the same method we follow for boiling the various foodstuffs. So third method is what, children? Boiling. Then last method, placing in airtight containers. If you go to any shop, supermarket, the food items are always packed in airtight cans or bottles, isn't it? If you see the jam also, bottle also, or even some other food items, they are always packed in airtight containers. Airtight containers, airtight containers. So air won't enter the food items inside, because just now we said that germs, when they grow rapidly, when the germs will grow rapidly, when they get the water, air and warmth. समजा त्यांना हवा, पाणी आणि warmth, उष्णता मिळाली, then they grow very rapidly, germs. So if we keep the food in airtight containers, it can stop the growth of germs, and that way we can preserve the food for longer period of time. Okay, so placing in airtight container is another best method. Now what are sometimes you have to have preservatives. Now what are these preservatives, children? Certain foodstuffs which are added to food to preserve them for longer period of time are called preservatives. The way we make pickle at home, लोणचं पिकल लोणचं वर्षभराचं लोणचं घरी बनवलं जातं, बट टू कीप इट फॉर अ लॉंगर पिरियड ऑफ टाईम, टू स्टोर द पिकल फॉर द होल year, what we are supposed to add in that, we have to add oil and salt, isn't it? Then that pickle will be stored for longer period of time. So when we add such special substances to store the food for long time, they are said to be the preservatives. Like in jams sugar is added, isn't it? So these are the preservatives like sugar, salt, asafoetida is what, hinga sometimes we have to add that also, asafoetida. Then vinegar, like in specially Chinese food items na, soya sauce, this vinegar is added. Vinegar is nothing but acetic acid, vinegar. It just looks like water if you see the vinegar bottle, but that also sometimes we have to add. Sometimes in some pickles also vinegar is added to preserve them for longer period of time. And then mustard oil, मोहरीचं तेल ज्याला म्हणतो, mustard oil. So that is also a kind of preservative. Basically, did you understood the meaning of preservatives, children? They are the special substances, special food items which are added to various foodstuffs to keep it for a longer period of time. Okay, so they are said to be the preservatives. Meaning of preservation is what? Storing. So that is the thing. These are some of the methods. Now why do we add spices? See, these are some of the spices which are shown to you in the picture. Basically we add spices to the various food stuff to enhance the taste of the food item. It increases the taste of the food, and sometimes for storing and preserving also we add these spices. But they are no parts of the, they are the specific parts of the plants. Like if you see here na, fenugreek, methi dana, cumin, jeera, isn't it? So like this, black pepper, kale mire, dalchini, cinnamon, isn't it? White pepper also. Then cloves, lavang, then nutmeg, isn't it? Coriander, dhane jala म्हणतो, coriander seeds, sesame, तीळ. So these are some of the spices, ginger, nutmeg, and then cardamom. Okay, nutmeg, जायफळ, cardamom, विलायची powder, isn't it? विलायची. So these are some of the spices which are added. But if you see, as we said, that they are the specific parts of the plant, isn't it? If you see the cumin seeds, black pepper, no, these are the, and then the coriander seeds, these are the seeds of the plant. They are said to be the seeds. But if you see the nutmeg and cardamom, na, they are the fruits of the plants. Okay, and clove is just it is a kind of peduncle of the flower, peduncle of the, on which the long the long, we can say long tube like structure on which the flower opens up, ज्याच्यावरती फूल उगवतं, अशी दांडी ज्याला म्हणतो, इट इज द क्लव. सो इट इज बेसिकली ड्राईड अँड देन फायनली यू गेट द क्लव. त्याला वाळवलं जाते अँड देन यू गेट दिस लवंग क्लव्स. ओके, सो नटमेग अँड कार्डेमम, नटमेग, जायफळ वी ॲड इन स्पेशली स्वीट फूड आयटम्स, गोड पदार्थांमध्ये टाकतो. सो नटमेग, देन कार्डेमम, विलायची, दीज आर द फ्रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. बट दिस सिनेमन ना, dalchini, it is the stem part of the plant. It is what, children? Stem part of the plant. All these, they are dried, before using they are dried. So this is the thing, these are all parts of various plants. Okay, yes, turmeric, then red pepper, these are all spices. Okay, so spices are different parts of the plants, they add taste to the food. Okay, children, so this is all for your today's EVS 1 period. In the next EVS 1 period, we will have the exercise or question and answers of this lesson. Okay, so till then, bye to all of you.